This video is designed to show you how the ptf3207 front panel and front panel display and keypad operate. Just a very quick training video to show you how to navigate the fairly comprehensive menu system and set of status displays. So when the instrument first boots up, you will be presented with a screen similar to this one, which shows the version number, the model number, and what the version of the FPGA is. And from there, we will then go to, it will automatically switch after a few seconds to a main display, which you see here. This is a menu display which allows you to select which status menu you wish to see after the instrument has completed its initial initialization. So here, this selection number 1 will be the display that is normally selected. You see up in the top corner just here, there's a number that will count down. If you don't press any keys, it will automatically select the display which is next to the highlight arrow here. So in this case, I will push number 1 and you see this is the display that is selected. If we go back to the main menu, you see here now this number is counting down. If I push this button, that will stop the countdown and I can select then which display I wish to select. If I want to change the default value, I can actually just highlight the display I want to show on boot up and press the enter key. That will now take me to display number 2, and if we come back to the main menu again, you will see that now display 2 is automatically highlighted. So if we come down here, we have a variety of displays. Just keep pressing the forward arrow and it will take the selection to the next available display. And it will just scroll round. So now if we come back to the selected display there, number 2, we can, as a shortcut, just press any of these number buttons and it will display that status display. So if I go to status display 6, here you see we've got a comprehensive status on the number of satellites viewed, tracked, and at the bottom here all of their different signal levels and PRN numbers. If I press 7, here we get a display of the IP addresses. This is actually DHCP, so we're actually on IP address 18. This number here will be the static display that's set into the memory if we go into a static mode. So we come back now to the main menu screen. Now if we press the actual menu key here, this now takes us into the setup menus. So we start at menu 1. We can actually page down by pressing the down arrow here, and here you see we're going down. These are the actual menu display numbers, or if I press the up arrow it will page up. There we go. And then if I want to just select a particular item on a page, I just press the forward arrow and we will go down. When we get to the bottom selection on that page, it will go to the next page. Here you can see this is a setup for receiver 2, this is a setup for receiver 1. If I go into a particular selection, at the moment receiver 2 is set to survey. I can scroll forward and back on these arrows to select a different selection if I wish to. Once I've got the selection I want, let's say we want to be in fixed mode on this one, I can select that, press enter, and it will tell me yes, okay, we saved that value, and then we're back to the displays. So this is just a very quick tutorial on how to use the main status displays and how to use the menu displays. When you've finished, you can just press main. If we wait for the timeout here, you see it's counting down. and eventually after 10 seconds it will switch to the display that we've selected, in this case display number 2. So I hope you felt that was useful, and there will be more videos in this series as we can get to them. Thank you very much.